Hi everyone, I'm at a shooting range with my good friend JJ. It's my first time at such a place, so I'm kind of excited and nervous as well, to be honest. The gunshots are quite loud in here, so we have to protect our ears. My gun is the CZ Scorpion Evo and it uses 9mm bullets.
Prepare yourself. So you have to keep your target like that.
Lekko do przodu, żeby nie przechylać się. Nie do przodu, lekko, policzek i patrzymy przez przeziernie. Długa broni. Tutaj wyciągamy magazynek, tak?
When you load the ammunition, then you put the magazine up, and this is for the reload.
International.
After the reload,
Of course.
this recoil stuff should be in front. Only after the last shot, the recoil stands in the back position. And after you reload another magazine, you just put it down, and it's loaded, so it's ready to shoot. With respect to the shooting, he told you just to bend your head.
Yeah.
I have 25 bullets and I think I got comfortable after my 5th.
Co, cały dzień pan tutaj jest? Matko jedyna. To pan to musi jak snajper.
Nie mam kiedy strzelać.
A. Wyszkoli pan nas, to będziemy przygotowani na inwazję. I will tell you in a second.
Not bad for a beginner, right? And by the way, my friend got a bullseye.
You can take it with you.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.